Hello, I'm Bronwyn and this is Jensen, and together we're 4 feet under the sun. And today we're doing one of my favourite mountain climbs. I've only done it once before, about 12 or 13 years ago, so we're going to see how we go. It's Mount Toolbrunup in the Stirling Ranges of Western Australia. It's only about 4 k's out and back, but with over 500 metres elevation gain. And some pretty tricky scrambling sections, so should be a fun one. So we'll show you the trail. See ya.
Yeah.
So the trail starts out fairly gentle through some nice forest. So just 50 metres or 100 metres in. Okay, 400 metres in, still just a nice walk in the forest, but got lots of loose rock underfoot now on the trail. You can see the peak up to our right. That way, straight ahead almost. Okay, about 800 metres in. It's definitely getting a bit steeper. Peak straight ahead. Okay, lots of very loose rock on the trail in this section. Peak's just there to the right. Okay, just 1k in now. It's very steep and rocky. Alright, we're 1.1 k's in. Half an hour it's taken us, and it's pretty tough, but still not even at the hard section. Jensen is absolutely smashing it, but I'm struggling a bit. Okay, we're at a big boulder, scree field. Jensen's doing great still, so I better catch up. More scree field. Jensen's doing great. Past about our third scree field. And now it's just lots of scrambling and about these big steps. Jensen's up ahead. Alright, we've come to the saddle, I think, of the mountain, so we can see great views in both directions now. Look at the beautiful blue sky, great conditions. Alright, now we're climbing up towards the summit. Alright, we made it! We're at the top of Toolbrunup and got 360-degree views. Just down there you can see Mount Hassel, and then over in the distance there you see Bluff Knoll. That's the road we took in.
Yeah!
Woohoo! And there's Jensen. What a view, hey?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Alright, we're on the way down now. We've just come down that almost kind of vertical rocky bit to the summit. Now we're back at the saddle. The views either way. Just making our way down here. Okay, we're about halfway down our first scree field on the way back. It's pretty tough going.
We did about 15 years ago. It was a lot easier now.
Almost at the bottom of the second scree field. Our legs are all very sore. A few more people doing it now too. Jensen's decided it's time for a nap. Alright, making our way down the last scree field, the third one. It's a smaller one. And our legs are like jelly at this point. Crossing this loose rock again. Wind's starting to pick up a little. Okay, and Jensen's skipping down the mountain while I'm just trying to stay on my feet. Back in the forest now. Alright, we're well and truly back in the forest and it's getting less steep. So, must be on the home straight, I think. The end is in sight, which can't wait to get to the car. Okay, we've made it back to the car park. So we made it. It took us 3 hours and 20 minutes out and back. What did you think, Jensen?
I think it was good.
Yeah? Is it one of your favourite mountain hikes so far?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah? Was it pretty hard?
Yes.
Yeah, it was pretty hard.
Lots of scrambling.
Yeah. And so what were your favourite parts?
My favourite part was the views
Gorgeous views.
and probably climbing the rocks.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Just a bit challenging, a
Yeah.
bit difficult. All right. Well, yeah, if you're up for a challenging mountain hike, highly recommend this one. We we were lucky. We had the summit all to ourselves, but on the way down, we probably saw a good 20, 30 or so people making their way up. So it probably got pretty busy up there. All right, that's us. See you
See ya.
later. Bye.
Bye.